handsome guy. All right, hold on. We're gonna get started, man. We're gonna get going. We're gonna get everything going. Let me put it up on. There we go. All right. So we are getting some momentum to the upside as we speak. We are going higher. Okay. So this is Sui on the 1 hour. We caught this. If you were on my TikTok live or my YouTube this morning, you would have caught this trade with us. We actually got in, as you can see, right down here at the bottom, and it is still climbing. I pulled 50% of my profits on this trade so far. We also caught XRP, but as you can see now, I'm waiting. I still have my XRP trade riding, right? But we are waiting to see if we can get up here and maybe get a short off of this resistance. But crypto is moving pretty good right now, so I don't know. We might, honestly, God, we just got to take it one step at a time. That's how you trade, man. You want to take it. You want to make your floor. You want to make your ceiling. You want to make, you want to. Here's our floor right now. It's down here at this support, right? That's the first level of support next. The next one would be where this yellow line's at. But right now, XRP is moving. We're doing good. How's everyone doing on TikTok? What's up? What's up? If you have a coin, a crypto coin, a stock, a commodity, anything you want me to go over on the charts, just tell me, man. Let me move this for you guys, all right? Because I'm also live on YouTube right now, so I'm trying to do this on both platforms right now. I'm on YouTube and I'm on TikTok, all right? All in with Mitch on YouTube if you want to follow. But on here, I'm talking to you guys on TikTok right now. Is there any coin or stock that you guys want me to go over? Right now, we're bullish today. We've been doing okay. We're not out of the clear, though. I don't want anyone to get it confused. We are not out of the clear yet. We need to start breaking above some of these high resistance levels. As you can see, this is Solana on the 30-minute chart. We need to get up here and break above all of this. We need to get up here. We need to break this ceiling, okay? If we can break above here, we go bounce back, and then we can go higher. That's what I'm hoping for, okay? But I do also, as you can see right here, I do have this short idea to the side. Because look, if we get up here and we don't break above, then yeah, we might be coming down and coming back down into this support here, okay? Down here. So we could just climb right back down to here, but then from here we could go higher. So we got a lot of good news today. If anyone's not in the markets, the inflation data came out lower than expected, okay? We got lower inflation numbers today. So what that means is hopefully in 6 days we might even get rate cuts. Maybe. I don't know yet. But inflation data coming down today is a very, very good sign, okay? Very, very good. That's exactly what we want. We want inflation to come down. So right now, though, I know it's midday. It's during the Asian market, so there's lower liquidity. Hold on one second. I had to respond to a text. So, anyways, is there anyone that has a coin? What do you think about boiling options with a list of put options to short sell? Are you talking about trading stocks? I don't trade stocks, but I can look over some stock charts. I'm talking about crypto. For the list of put options to short sell. So, what are you specifically talking about, bro? If anyone has a crypto coin or a stock you want me to look at, I'll tell you what I see. Where is Bitcoin headed? Thank you for asking that. Let me get a clean chart so it's not so messy. Right here. So I want to zoom out real quick on the daily time frame. All right, guys. So earlier today I went live and I explained this with you guys on here and on YouTube. So right now we are in a spot where so if you fib the top to the bottom, okay, we are in right now about, let me see, hold on. So if you fib it to this where we skyrocketed the last time, we're sitting right in this 7.1, almost to the 7.86 level, okay? So Bitcoin, from right now, you see this red box. If we don't break above this red box right here, if we don't break above this, then this could be where we go lower, okay? So we could possibly from here, and I want actually one second, just so you guys know, I don't see Bitcoin going lower than 70,000, okay? Honest to God, and it's not just me, a lot of people, 70,000 is going to be the lowest where Bitcoin will go. I'm positive. This 886 level on the fib, as you can see, I have it marked up. We might come down here, and this is what ties right into it and makes sense. This is November 5th. We're at 67,000 and we skyrocketed. So, one second. So this is where we skyrocketed after the election night on November 5th, okay? So that's why coming down to this level makes sense. All right? This honestly makes sense that we could come down here. But we could possibly have already reached the bottom, and we could possibly break above this. And if we break above this resistance over here, we're sitting in a good spot. We really are. I honest to God think if we break above here, we could keep going. But this is all internal liquidity. Oh, we're going to get way past 90. We got to break above 90K, yes, but we're going to go way past that. By the end of the year, oh man, I honestly think Bitcoin will be at least hitting 120 to 150,000. Okay. We for sure are going to be hitting probably 120, but I honestly think 150 would make more sense. So, but for right now, like we're taking this step by step. You got to work your way up or work your way down, right? You can't just, like if you're portfolio building right now, yeah, you could buy some Bitcoin right now. It's in a good spot, but it could come down lower to about 70, 72,000. It makes sense if it does, but don't panic. No one panic. Like we are solid. We are good. We're not gonna, we're gonna be just fine. I promise you that. I promise Bitcoin. So let me show you guys some stuff. Just today, Trump, so inflation data came down lower than expected. Trump even said today, I think the markets are going to soar. He and Michael Saylor and all these big banks and hedge funds, they are buying and accumulating so much crypto, Bitcoin specifically too, XRP, Solana, they are accumulating. Why do you think they're sitting and buying? Warren Buffett said it best. When everyone's panicking and everyone's in fear, that is the best time to make money. Okay? A lot of people don't have the patience these days. A lot of people can't buy and hold something for a year or two. Well, I'm gonna tell you straight up. I've been buying and accumulating Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, Ethereum since 2022 when it was at its bottoms because I knew what was going to happen. It's the same 4-year cycle. All right. So I'm not even panicking. I started buying Bitcoin at 20,000, 30,000. I'm not tripping, right? But as you can see right now, while we're on the live, Bitcoin is actually pumping right now. And this is a key moment because if we can get above this red box that I have marked up right here, it will be very, very good tomorrow and this whole week. And I also wanted to show you guys the total market cap. This is very important to look at. So this is the complete total market cap of the entire crypto market. Okay, let me get rid of that box. Let me get rid of this green line. This is the total market cap of the entire market. So it's very similar to Bitcoin's chart, as you can see. But if we can get above this red box, we are in a good spot. It's, you know, all these coins are kind of in the same spot right now. Everything's in that kind of it drops so low. And dude, a lot of these coins, if you guys haven't gotten to crypto yet, you have such a golden moment to buy right now. I'm going to go over just a few. Ondo, okay? Ondo is probably one of the best projects to buy. It is a fairly new project. BlackRock completely backs this project. It's a real world asset class coin. So, meaning, which is a new thing, BlackRock and Ondo, they want to tokenize everything, stocks, commodities, like gold, silver, oil. So you can trade them 24/7 on a tokenized version, just like crypto, right? Or it would be a crypto, but it would still be matching the price of what gold's at, or, for example, as you guys can see, gold has been doing crazy numbers, okay? And I believe gold's going to continue to keep going. I think gold could reach something like $4,000 this year. I'll be honest with you. We're about to break above this daily red box. The SP 500 pulled back to a major support zone, okay? Major support. And we are looking really good. I mean, if it could come down just a little bit lower, it wouldn't be a bad thing. I know a lot of people are panicking and stuff, but honestly, if the SP 500 could come down just a little bit, I think we have more room to grow. Now, the NASDAQ's kind of in a weirder spot. I'll be honest with you. NASDAQ's in a weirder zone, but it's not the end of the world or anything. But I know we're talking crypto here, but now this is a key thing that a lot of people don't even know about, don't even look at, but is super important. If you're trying to be a trader, an investor, this is the DXY, aka the US dollar index. You guys need to know what's going on with the dollar, okay? If we are pumping like we were from September all the way up to January 13th, we were majorly pumping. That means that assets, crypto, stocks, commodities go down in value, right? When the dollar's rising, assets are falling. Not always, because right now you can see the dollar's been dropping, but yet stocks and crypto are falling, right? So it can go with it at the same time. But the only reason it's going with it right now is because we have a lot of fear in the economy right now. Tariffs, big power shift in politics, There's all these different factors that are making it different, right? If that wasn't going on, then we would easily be pumping majorly, okay? And we still are going to be pumping majorly. Don't get it twisted at all. We're going to be majorly pumping. The bull run is not over. The bull run is not over, okay? So right now we see the US dollar dropping. This is a very key thing, a very good thing that the dollar keeps dropping right now. Matter of fact, it pulled up one couple green candles on the 4-hour, and I think it's going to continue to drop, which is a good thing. The next levels would be down here at the 101 and the 100. I pray that we go down that low. I really do. I really hope we go that low. So back to Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum's in a golden zone. Okay, the 786 is the 71 on the fib, on the higher time frames. We are in a golden pocket right now, and yeah, we have some major upsides still coming. I mean, you can get Ethereum right now at 1,900 bucks. If stocks go down for a year, but crypto somehow goes up, who do you think Coinbase stock follows? Well, Coinbase stock will be following the crypto market. So I know it's kind of a catch-22, but I don't even think who said stocks are going to go down for a year. I promise you, crypto and stocks are both going to be booming this year. Crypto will be booming more than stocks, and that's why I trade crypto. Sure, there's some stocks that run as high as some crypto coins, but you want me to go over? I'll go over Coinbase stock for you. I don't mind doing that. If anyone has a coin or a stock, yes, beautiful opportunity for people. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So if anyone has a coin or a stock or a commodity you want me to go over, a Forex pair, just ask me. I'll do it. That's what I'm here for. So boom. And while you're at it, please like, subscribe, follow. Picoin, yes, I just sold my Picoin. I actually had an account that was on an old phone. I logged into it and I had like 500 Pi tokens, and I sent them over and sold them already though. I wasn't really thinking the tech was that great. I don't think it's going to do, I don't know. I put it in more XRP, to be honest. I don't think Fartcoin is the future. Oh man. I mean, I'll be honest with you, man. Like, I'm in. When you want to talk about, let me do this real quick. I'm gonna talk about meme coins, all right? And I'm gonna open you guys' mind to something that makes a lot of sense for which meme coins would probably do really good this bull run. I'm not fully in. I mean, I'm in some meme coins, but I'm not. I'm in more majority good coins, and I'm also leverage trading. I mean, shit. Last month and stuff, in the last few weeks, I was shorting when the market's dumping. I was day trading. I was shorting meme coins before anything else because I knew those would fall harder. Pepe, yep, good call. Pepe is actually one of the coins I'm going to talk to you guys about in a second. I'm going to show you something that I truly think is going to be the key. Okay, so Coinbase stock. This is Coinbase's stock. I mean, shit, we've been riding. We got kind of a trend line going on. This is on the daily time frame, by the way, guys. This is big picture. So we came down on the fib. Honestly, if we could come down to 153, that would hit the 618 and would be a really good spot for it to start running really high. But, or actually like 160, 164-ish. Something like that, down in this box. If we can make this smaller. So as you can see, it's in this pocket of the 0.5 to the 618 on the fib. So really anywhere in this box, I think it's going to continue going higher, like 167, 168 would be really good. But dude, I mean, honestly, it could respect this trend line and start moving from here. But it really depends, I think, on the markets in general this week. Bitcoin Cash, yeah, I can look at it real quick before I get there. So I want to point something out. What I think when it comes to meme coins, like big plays, right, for this run, I think Bonk is in an amazing pocket. It's in the 618 to the 786, right? What I think is, or it's the 886 to 78, sorry. I think Bonk is going to do amazing because Bonk was the #1 meme coin on the Solana. It started the whole meme coin phase, right? And it's in this amazing zone right here. And it has a lot of different things that the staking, bonkrewards.com, and there's all types of Bonk sponsorships, and I think Bonk is going to be a big player. I think it's going to run really well. I think Dog with Hat could also run really well. It's also in that golden, almost at the entry zones, right? I think this is a good zone. Now, also, Pepe. Now, Pepe is the #1 meme coin for Ethereum network. So I truly believe that Pepe will be the runner for the Ethereum network on meme coins. And I think Bonk and Dog with Hat will be big plays for meme coins. Sure, there's always going to be a new meme coin that comes out every 10 seconds, and one of them could run to a few $1 million. But I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen the meme coin market is gone to complete shit. It is just a complete rug pull. I know, some people that obviously make a lot of money on memes every day, but it's far and few in between. There's not that many people that do, and most of the time they're washing and rinsing your money. So why not if you go to my YouTube, this live video that I'm doing, in the description of this video, or all my videos, you'll see all the links to different exchanges you could be on and be leverage trading crypto, right? Like, why not just leverage trade crypto, and you can still make big money, and you're trading real coins that actually have value. I'm gonna go over. So I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, top plays for this, buying and accumulating right now for a portfolio. I also think SUI. If you guys are not in SUI, right now is the time to get in SUI, okay? $2.20 right now. This thing, I started getting in at 48 cents down here. This thing ran up to $5.40 33 cents, 39 cents. I truly think SUI is going to be, it's very similar to the Solana network, all right? SUI is very, very similar to Solana. It is going to be a top player, I guarantee you. XRP, obviously, all the banks are adopting it. Super good, solid coin, super good project. I want to see it break above this red box, just like every coin right now, but great project, and I think it's going to do great. Chainlink. I keep going over Chainlink because this is, I don't think it's talked about enough, and I think it's going to be one of the biggest plays, especially long term. So think of say you were, the mayor of New York City, or say you just own New York City, right? You need plumbing, right? The city needs plumbing. Chainlink is the plumbing for all these networks. Chainlink connects everything. Chainlink is, like I said, the plumbing to the city. I mean, it is literally the coin that connects all these other networks, and nothing, there's similar projects, but that is TradingView that I'm marking up the charts on for who just asked, Ortega. So I mark up on TradingView, right? But I day trade on Blowfin and WeX. They're crypto exchanges that you leverage trade on. This right here is Blowfin. This is Blowfin, you can see I'm in this little trade still. I pulled all my profits out of it already. But hey, Ortega, DM me and I'll send you my link, all right? That you can use for Blowfin. They have demo trading. I highly suggest you guys use at least the demo trading, and you can practice for free. You can practice day trading with leverage on crypto for free on a demo account, okay, on Blowfin. Why wouldn't you start? Then Kaspa, KASPA, Kaspa. This coin right here, man, I got in 2023 all the way down here. I shit you not, dude. It has ran how much? 1,800%, so 1,843%. Obviously, we pulled back down to 7 cents, but great zone to buy. And so if you use Blowfin, that's what you trade on. That's the broker. It's the exchange, not broker, the crypto exchange. But it's leverage trading, and it's you can do it in the US. Just DM me, all right? DM me. I'll send you my referral link. Yeah. So follow me and send me a DM right now. And as soon as I'm done, I'll send you a referral link. Anyone watching, man, follow, like, subscribe. Also on YouTube, All In with Mitch, same thing. I'm live right now on YouTube as well. You can see my screen better. I'm doing this one on my phone, and then I'm also streaming on YouTube. So, Jupiter. This is the #1 DEX, decentralized exchange on the Solana network. I mean, it's only at 50 cents right now. It's also just like all these other coins in that perfect pocket zone. And I mean, 100% get into Jupe, Caspa, Aerodrome, #1 decentralized exchange on the Base network, which is Coinbase's network. They don't have a coin, but they have a crypto network, a blockchain network, sorry. This is the #1 decentralized exchange on the Base network. It's called Aerodrome. AERO is the ticker. What you thought about Dogecoin? You know when it is the ETF. So they might be doing an ETF on it. You know, like I was saying just a minute ago, like I think Doge will, yeah, it's still gonna hit these highs. Like even if you got in here now, I guarantee it's gonna hit these highs, which is 220% alone, right? Could go higher than that too, but you gotta remember market cap, right? There's a lot of money that needs to be pushed through Shiba or Doge because the market caps are huge. But I personally think we could see, like on the last bull run with Doge, how it ran, what was it, like 10,000%. You can see on this crazy candle. I truly think we can see those parabolic moves on Bonk and Pepe. All right, we already have seen parabolic moves like that, right? But I think we can get this whole next one that's going to go higher on Pepe and Bonk, all right? I truly think, and Dog with Hat too, I think will do very well. But Doge and Shiba, they're still going to do good. Like, I'm not going to say they're not, but they're not going to do what they did last time. Yeah, XRP. I just went over a little bit. XRP is, honest to God, I was buying in 2022 at 30 cents. I wish I got more. But hey, I'm up still, of course, and I'm still holding XRP. I honestly think $5-6 on XRP is super realistic for this bull run. Right now though, let's just take it step by step. We did break above this resistance here, okay? We broke this. This is a good sign. We're getting some momentum to the upside, but we need to break above here. We need to break above this red box. And this is the same thing on every coin right now. I'll do near after this one, Ivan. But yeah, I mean, right now we're in a spot with all these coins where they're at super good zones on the daily and stuff on support, but they need to break above major resistance, which XRP broke above this internal resistance, but it's not major, right? It's not major resistance. But if we can get above this $2.30 range, I'm telling you, that will be a really key sign that we're going to continue to go higher. But we need to break above a lot of these spots. Ivan, I'll go over near for you real quick. How you doing? Good. Actually, I don't even have near on my list. I'll be honest with you. Here. I'm not in near, and wow, I should have it on my list. I'm really surprised I didn't. But let's go over. Let's check it out on the daily. So yeah, so we go from the low to the high with the fib, right? This is called the Fibonacci tool. They are honestly kind of psychological levels, but they're also just levels that always get hit, right? And as you can see, it's crazy. I mean, you mark up the high, the low on the fib on any time frame, and you're gonna see the market react at these levels. Like, that's where it was. Now we're down, which is the golden spot, is the 886. This is a golden zone, right? And you can see it went right into this support right here on the 886 to the 786, right? And I teach all this stuff. If you guys ever want more, like really in-depth, want to learn how to trade, just DM me. follow me for sure. I mean, you always get free information from me on TikTok and YouTube, but follow me, DM me, and we'll definitely talk. But anyways, right now, near is in a good zone. Okay. But it's just like all these other coins right now. We have to break above. I could show you the same thing on here. We have to break above, which right now, shit, near is actually touching the red box right now. Look at that. It literally just wicked into this. Honest to God, we could get a short position from here. We might. I mean, I'm not saying I'm going to take this right now. I'm just saying we could possibly get a short right now and come down. But hopefully, I don't want to short. I'm over shorting the market. Like for the past 2 weeks, we've done nothing but short the market. If you're day trading, you know what I'm saying. But right now, man, I hope we break above here. And I will say this, my indicator, this is called Market Cipher. If you see down here, the money flow is continuing to the upside. We're getting strong money flow, right? This is showing where the money is flowing. If it's down in the red like here, this is calling, it's just nothing but dropping. The money's shorting the market. So, but we are hitting this major resistance on the red box, and look at it, it's already reacting on the 15-minute. Like this could be, honestly, it could be a good short, but I'm not saying I'm taking it right now. I'm just saying this is what's happening as we're live right now. We could drop from here, honestly, but Ivan, if we might drop from here, but then we might come down to this support, like say right here, and then pump higher. But right now it's just too early to call it. But we could see something like this where it drops down to the support and then we run, you know what I mean? So right now it's just kind of hard to say. We kind of just have to let it play out for right now. But does anyone else have, hello everyone that's joining, does anyone have a coin or a stock? I'll even mark up a stock. Check ZBCN. What's that? Shit, I've never even heard of that. ZBCN. I've never heard of this coin. But I got you, bro. Oh, wow. This did pretty well. Real quick, I'm curious. You got me curious. You teaching me something. ZBCN. Zebic Network. Has recently migrated from the old contract to a new one. 71. No. Let me see. What's this about? Okay. Zebec's integrated products, including real-time payroll apps, on-chain payments, infrastructure, and network deepen, serve companies of all sizes, merchants, and individuals, helping to transcend the boundaries of traditional banking and diminish the role of financial. Oh, okay. This could be something solid. Let's pop open the website real quick. I appreciate it. You're gonna love it. Okay. Yeah, I'm checking it out now. It sounds, so it's kind of like a real world asset type thing, a DePIN, but it could be for companies to use for payrolls and shit. That's actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Real world asset payments.
What is it?
This is a pretty good project. Yeah, shit, companies could use this for payroll on the blockchain. Senior role charge. So you could literally have a company and pay your employees with USDC or stable coins and literally have your whole payroll system on the blockchain. This is badass. This is actually pretty fucking cool. I'm not going to lie. I'm surprised it's not a higher market cap. So we do have, okay, there's only 100. Okay. So we have a limited supply. It's not going to be a forever type token. Fully diluted. I'd have to do the numbers on this just to see how the tokenomics look. Yeah, use case there. Okay, that's a solid use case. Yeah, for sure. Now let's look at it on the chart though. The chart didn't look too bad either. When did this shit come out? This year in April. Okay. I'm guessing they're on the Solana network. I'm gonna take a guess. because it said that they pay in USDC, so I'm assuming it's probably using the Solana network, which obviously is a good choice. Let's fib it out real quick. Let's do the fib. So from the low to the top. And real quick, for everyone, if you want to use the Fibonacci tool, right, the fib retracement. So if you're looking for a buy, you go from the low first, then to the high. But if you're looking for a sell position, you want to fib from the top to the bottom, okay? So if we're looking to short this thing, we would go from the top to the bottom with the fib, and then it would say like this right here. Let's see, look at that. Look at that. The 0.5, if you fib it from the top to the bottom, the 0.5, look how it reacted. I mean, you can't make this shit up. It tapped the 0.5 and then dumped, right? But now we're on the flip side. Hold on. Now we're on the flip side going looking for buys because it pulled back. We did technically go through the 886. So basically right now we are at like, if I had it marked up, it would be like the 8, which is still a really good zone, right? Let me make sure. Oh, no, it is on. Okay. I was just making sure. I thought it was off a little bit because that can mess things up. Okay. No, it's on. So we'd be at like we're a little bit below the 886 right now. Just barely. Like we're right at it. And yeah, this is a really good buying zone. Gala, yeah, I wouldn't mess with it. Honest to God, I wouldn't buy Gala, bro. Your money could be in a way better shit than Gala. It's just not doing. I mean, we can look at it real quick. Why not? I got it actually on here on this list. Gala. I would personally. I think I looked at this the other day even. So Gala, it's just struggling. Like I fully think it had a cool network. It pumped really big on the last bull run. It's the video games. I mean, it's all video game type related stuff for crypto. But honestly, if you look at Sandbox, which is metaverse and video games, I day trade on Blowfin and WeX. Lundo, if you want to text or DM, not text, if you want to DM me on TikTok, I will send you the links for Blowfin and WeX, and you can literally just demo trade on them, bro. Like if you want to just get used to leverage trading crypto, if you haven't done it before, you can just demo trade. It's everyone uses Blowfin. It's a really good, and you can use it in the US, and you can use WeX in the US. And all you guys that want the link, just DM me after this live. I'll send it to you, my referral link. And the thing about it too is, yeah, you can demo trade, but on WeX right now they're doing a bonus. I got like, if you put in $200, they give you a free $100. Free $100, and then they also give you like $50 just for signing up with your email and phone number. And it's regulated in the US. You can do it in the US. So it's like a no-brainer. So DM me. I'll send you guys the links. Anyone that DMs me, I'll send you the links for Blowfin and WeX. And like literally it's free money and you can trade with it. And you can demo trade on there too. They also have copy traders. You can copy trade people if you want to just, dude, I tested it out. There was this guy that only traded XRP and he had a really good risk to reward ratio. Anyways, the ROI, I put in like $30 just to like see what he does, Obviously, I traded my own money myself, but I just put it in just to fuck with it. Anyways, the $30 went to like $100 in a week or two. This was when the market was still pumping, but hey, it was easy money that someone else traded for me, so it was kind of cool. Who else? What are you trading, Aved? I'm honestly going over any coin or stock or commodity, crypto that you guys want me to look at, but I'm also going over coins that, are great buys for your portfolio right now. They're in the best zones. Yeah, I trade. I also sell used cars. I also have a business. I sell used cars in Portland, Oregon. But yeah, I trade full time, and I recently started making content on YouTube and TikTok. My X account also, I post every day, but on YouTube, it's All In with Mitch. Same as on TikTok. All you have to do is type in All In with Mitch, one word, on TikTok, X, or YouTube. So I appreciate, yeah, Fetch AI. Good coin. I honestly am in it myself. It's one of the coins I gotta admit, man. I got in back in 2023, and I didn't sell all of it at the top. I really wish I would have. I learned from it for sure. I got in super early on Fetch AI, and I even bought more like in between this pump. Like I want to say March, yeah. So I was buying more at like $1.80, and I took some profits, but I should have just dumped all. I should have sold all of it. I have a possible stock you can look. AABB. This is a gold mine company. Good, good, good. Now, before I look up your stock, I want to show you guys gold and what I see for gold right now. If anyone trades Forex, I do trade Forex on the side, mainly just gold though. I just mainly trade gold on the side. Sometimes the euro to the USD also, but gold is pumping. Like gold has been just pumping for months now. And the thing about gold, right, is you can just be a seasonality trader. Dude, you can literally backtest this. If you just trade gold from the months of December into February, I mean, this is December, early December right here. It is always bullish December, January, February. There might be pullbacks, February and stuff like that, January. But think about it. So gold during December, everyone is buying gold for presents for Christmas. It is, obviously being purchased a lot during Christmas time. And then February, you have Valentine's Day. And if you back test December to February, over and over and over, gold is always bullish those months. I literally have a mentor that I learned a lot of trading from that literally he makes his most money during December, January, February just trading gold. That's all he'll focus on. He'll just trade gold every week in, week out, all the way through February, and he literally makes people's entire multiple yearly salaries just trading gold for 3 months. And he'll literally just sit back the rest of the year, but he'll just trade the fuck out of gold for 3 months. I obviously I'm here really promoting crypto trading, but I do trade Forex. That's honestly where I learned how to trade was from Forex. So I trade gold still though, because gold can move like crypto too. It moves fast. Now the person that asked for AABB, the stock, gold mining company, which is a great choice. I'll put it on my list. I'm surprised they're pulling back right now. Maybe they had a bad earnings call or something. Let's look at this. This is on the daily time frame, so this thing's been around a long time. It said something about Asia. So Asia, is it Asia Broadband? That's the name of it? That can't be the name of a gold mine company. Asia Broadband? That sounds like an internet company. Let me make sure I typed that in right. AABB. Gold mine going live. Oh, it's a gold mine company going live in a month. So it's new. It hasn't even popped. It's in Mexico. Okay, so there's no chart for it yet. Here's the problem with that, Michael. It's in Mexico. That worries me. Just because right now with the whole tariff thing, I mean, you know what I'm saying? It gets a little tricky. Let me look it up. AABB Gold Mining Company. So you're trying to get on the IPO of it. You're trying to get in early on the IPO. Oh no, this is it. Asia Broadband. No, so that is it. So what do you mean going live? Because this thing's been around for a long time. This thing's been around since this chart goes back to 2003. Oh, Pendle. Yeah, I'll check Pendle. That's the number one stock right now. Pendle has been doing really well. Pendle, but the AABB, yeah, it looks like a great zone. I'm just worried. You always got to think about fundamentals, man. And right now with the tariffs, there have been acquiring mines and building a processing plant in Mexico there, or are they building a plant over here to avoid tariffs? That's the only thing I was wondering. Well, I guess that wouldn't make sense. There's no way they're going to send all the gold just to process. What's the ticker for Pendle? P. Why am I not seeing Pendle? Oh no, I'm thinking of Planetar. I'm thinking Planetar. You're thinking about Pendle the coin. I'm sorry, man. My bad. My bad. The coin. I'm thinking of Planetar, the that stock that's been blown up. Planetar, or how do you say it? Palantir. Oh, Palantir. Look at this thing. This thing's been moving like a crypto coin. So this thing, and if you would have bought in May last year or 2 years ago, $6 a pop, man. This thing went to 123 bucks. I mean, this thing 2,700%. This is, dude, this thing moved faster than Solana did. Okay, so processing plant in Mexico, but they flipped the switch in 30 days. I bought shares already at 1 cent. So that's the thing, though. In 30 days, then they're going to get hit with tariffs. I'm just, you know what I mean? Like, gold though is pumping, so gold itself is pumping. So I like you're on the right spot, 100%. You're on the right track because here's Pendle, by the way. Which one's Pendle? I know I've heard of this coin. We're gonna mark up the resistance up here on the daily. We're gonna mark up this floor down here of support that we're in, and then we're gonna also mark up the fib. Like every coin right now, imagine that it's in that golden 786 level right now. It's really in a good spot, but it's pulling back right now. I mean, hopefully it holds right here at $2. Let me look up Pendle. I know this coin. I've heard of this coin. I've heard of this coin. I'm just trying to remember which one it is. It's number 179. Pendle is a protocol that enables the tokenization and trading of future yield with the creation of a novel AAMM that supports assets with time decay. Pendle gives users more control over future yield by providing opportunity. Okay, cool. I know I've heard of this coin. I think it's on Ethereum now. Yeah, it's Ethereum network. Okay, that's what I figured it was. That's why I got in there because of the gold. Yeah. Once they have their earnings after processing the ore, I feel like I got. Oh yeah, you got in at base level for sure. No, yeah. I mean, dude, I don't trade a lot of stocks. I'm not a stock trader. I'm really crypto and forex. But I agree with you. I mean, why not? I would take a chance at it. If the earnings call comes out, they start pumping start processing the gold, this thing's gonna boom. I mean, it's got to. And if you got in here and just took it up to here, that's 66%. Just from the next big high on the daily or the 4 hour. If we come up to here, we're talking 100%. This would be another level. Another level would be 150 all the way up to 200%. Like these would be my take profit zones here, 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 and here. These would be the 4 levels that you could take. I would personally take profit at, man. These would be the 4 levels because, so this one's 3 cents, then 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents. So, I mean, that shit lines up perfect. So, literally, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, and 6 cents would be my take profit targets if I would be trading this. Bear AI. I haven't heard of that one. Bear AI. AI. Is that a crypto? Let me look it up on Coin. Bear AI. Is that a meme coin on the BNB network? Meme coin on the Bean?